Hey guys, these are the notes for 8.7b, the triangular surface area of triangular prisms. So if you're in school, you'll get a copy of these. If you are virtual, you'll need to write these down. So let's see what we can highlight. This is 8.7b. Well, that's not working. Okay, let's change that. I'll just use red. So this is 8.7b, and we know this is triangular prisms. And we are doing surface area. They have lateral and total. And the formulas, as you can see, are the exact same as the rectangular prisms. The thing is on the STAR test and any test that we take in here, for the triangular prisms, we will only use lateral. What? We will only use lateral. So that's what we're going to focus on. The information is the same as for the rectangles. The perimeter is the perimeter of the base. And on this shape, the base of a triangular prism is always the triangle. It doesn't matter if the triangle is on the bottom or not. Sometimes they'll draw the picture with the triangle like this. Like that's your prism. This is always your base. The triangle is always your base. The height is the height of the prism. So if they draw it this way, the height is always that part right there. Capital B, that is the area of the base, which is your triangle, and we will not mess with that because we are only doing lateral. Okay, so let's carry on. Let's do an example. We're not going to do total, which there's the formula. We're only going to do lateral. So let's do this example. We have to find the perimeter of the base, which is the triangle. So we know this side is 8, this side is 6, and we don't have a number on this side, but we do see that over here, this side is 10. So therefore this side is 10. So step 1, draw your base. So we know our base is the triangle, and we know our numbers are 6, 8, and 10. So we can add all those up. 6 plus 10 plus 8. And that is going to equal 6 plus 10 plus 8. Whoops. Is 24. So we know our answer is 24 for the perimeter. The height, if you tilted this triangle, if you tipped it back onto if you tilted this prism and tilted it back upon its triangle, the height would be 10. So we know the height is 10. So now we just plug that in. 24 times 10 equals 240. Okay? Let's do some more examples. We're going to find the lateral surface area. So let's do that with this picture, this shape. So we have the lateral surface of a triangle. There's our formula. And the base is always the triangle. So this is your base. So step 1, we're going to redraw the base. And I don't have any numbers down here, but I know the numbers match these right here. So I'm going to relabel this 4, 3, and 5. And I'm going to add that up. 4 plus 5 plus 3 equals 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 3 is 12. And then our height is right here. Our height is 6. So we know our lateral surface area is 12 times 6, which equals 72. Let's see if we have another example. Yep. And let's get this off. Clear. Here we go. So once again, I am going to, this is a very strange drawing. Well, it's not too strange. It just looks weird here. So we know that this base matches this one. So I'm going to redraw my base. And I know if this is 15, down there is 15. And I know if this side is 14 and this side is 13. So I just need to add them all together. 15 plus 14 plus 13. Let's see what we get. So we have 15 plus 14 plus 13. $42. So we know the perimeter is 42. And we know the height of this thing is 1. So we know 42 times 1 is 42. Let's see if we have another one. Yes. Okay. Once again, let's draw our base. Let's highlight our base and redraw our base. There's our base. I'm going to redraw it right here. And I know my sides are 6, 5, and that would be the same as that one, so that is 5 as well. So perimeter is 5 plus 5 plus 6 equals 16. And the height of this thing is 8. So 16 times 8 is going to give me 128. So your answer is 128. See if we have another one. Yes, we have a ton of these. So step 1, I'm going to draw the base, highlight the base, redraw the base, and I see I have 3, 4, and a 5. So let's add them together. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12. And the height of this thing is 8. So we have 12 times 8, and that will be 96. See if we have one more, or if that was it. Yep, we got another one. Let's do another one. Got a lot of these. Okay, draw your base. Here's my base. Here's my triangle. I'm going to relabel the sides here. I know this bottom side is 6. And we know these is the same as that down there. So we know we have a 3 and a 5. So I have 3 plus 6 plus 5 equals 14. And the height of this thing is 8. So 14 times 8 is our answer. And that number is 14 times 8, 112. That is it, guys. That'll do it for the examples and the notes for the lateral surface area of triangular prisms. Your assignment's on the next page. Thank you for watching.